Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel and thank you very much for watching everyone. What I've done here is I've set up this pattern so that I can talk to you about achieving a run out. How many of you have struggled to run out a 9-ball pattern? Or maybe you've never run out before. Well, there may be reasons for that. If you can pocket shots, you should be able to run out. So let's look at this. So many players, let's say your opponent broke and they broke dry, would just come up here and shoot this 1 ball in because the 2 is here and I can easily shoot that in, and that's what they would only think about. But let's look deeper into this layout. You may want to take a picture of this and try to perform this. The problem ball that I see, because I look for that right away, is this 6 ball. It is hooked behind the 9 and it has 1 pocket only, and that's right there. When I see that situation, I then look at the next shot after and I want to find the angle that I need on the 6 ball in this case to get to the 7, because it's way back up table here. So what I see right away is I need an angle like this. So I can go 1, maybe 2 cushions to get to the 7 with my cue ball. Now I know that. So now the key shot, believe it or not, is not just getting on the 5, but how do I get to the 5? The key shot is this. We need to look at the 4 ball. And I want to roll into the shot line so that I'm assured a good position to my 6. And going into the shot line, if this is the shot line into that corner, anywhere in here is perfect. And then I can easily do a stop shot, a little roll ahead, or whatever to pocket this 6 with the right angle to get to the 7. You follow where I'm going? Now let's see if we can pull that off. The 1, 2, and 3 are really critical, but most importantly the 3 ball, because we need to get to the 4 properly, right? Got to have that angle on the 4 to get to the 5, that gives us the angle to the 6. Pretty complicated, but not so much once you start to think about it. And that's how you think through a 9-ball pattern. Questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching everyone, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.